Opening energetic music, close-up animation of a stomach. On-screen text. Did you know your stomach replaces itself? Narrator. Hey science enthusiasts, ever wondered why your stomach doesn't digest itself? Well, let's dive into this fascinating fact. Cut to acid bubbling animation. Narrator. Your stomach is an acid powerhouse producing hydrochloric acid strong enough to dissolve metal. So, how come it doesn't turn you into a gooey mess? Zoom into stomach lining cells regenerating. Narrator, here's the secret. Your stomach has a clever defense mechanism. It regenerates its lining every 3 to 4 days. This means it's constantly renewing itself to avoid self-destruction. Funny animation stomach dodging its own acid. Narrator. It's like your stomach is playing an intense game of dodgeball with its own acid, saying, "Quick, rebuild before I become soup." Pretty cool, right? Closing upbeat music, call to action, on-screen text. Your body is smarter than you think. Narrator. Now that's one smart gut. If your stomach just earned your respect, smash that like button and subscribe for more mind-blowing science facts. Stay curious.